Number one thing I get asked by new agents coming in the industry, how do you make it as a realtor? Like, what advice and guidance can you give me? Well, today I'm going to break down pretty much the key 4 things that I think of what it takes to make real estate a career. All right, the first thing is, just like any business, you got to get a vision for what you want. Like, what do you want out of this business? Where are you going? What do you stand for? You know, a lot of the consulting work that I do with real estate team leaders and business owners, the first place we start is getting a crystal clear vision that can be shared by everybody in the company. Because most people start a business and it just runs and it grows, but there's no vision of where they're going. You got to get a crystal clear vision of what you want and where you're going as a business owner. And once you do that, you got to, number 2, find a mentor or coach who can get you to where you aspire to go to. You can figure it out on your own. You're going to make a lot of mistakes and they're probably going to be costly mistakes. But if you find a mentor or coach, you're going to do what Tony Robbins says, which is stand on the shoulders of giants. If you aspire to be somewhere, find someone who's there and pay them, right? Pay them to help you get there faster with less hassle and making less mistakes. Number 3, surround yourself with people who are in alignment with what you want to do. I started a Facebook group called Grow or Die, and it's designed to have agents around each other who are in a growth mindset, right? Growing lead generation, growing lead conversion, growing with AI and ChatGPT and all the tools and technologies that are out there, because there's tons of agents inside of offices who are getting sucked into this black vortex, this black hole of, oh, that's not going to work. Oh, this is not going to do this, from agents who are barely selling any houses, or even the office managers and brokers who don't really know what it takes to be successful. So you get a vision of what you want, find a mentor, surround yourself with people who aspire to go and do what you want to do, or aspire to grow a business like you want to grow a business. And then number 4, you have to make sure lead generation efforts are always happening in your business. Because you guys have heard me say this time and time again. The number 1 priority as a real estate agent, it's to get in the pathway of a motivated buyer and seller every single day. So to do that, you got to make sure your lead generation efforts are on point and happening all the time. As a matter of fact, one of the key parts of lead generation is advertising. And advertising is happening 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So that means your lead gen's always working, right? You have to have ads that produce results. And once you do, you are going to make it as a realtor and you're going to have a very successful career. So those are my top 4 things of what it takes to actually make real estate career. By the way, if you want to join that group I talked about, the Grow or Die community for growth-minded agents who want to grow their business, we go over lead generation, lead conversion, tactics on how to become more efficient and productive. It's free. The link's in the description. Click the link and I'll see you guys on the other side.